Lindsay Del Carlo, the trial garden manager for Renee's Garden Seeds here in Felton, California. And in our trial garden this season, we have a really large corn trial, as you can see, our 50-foot bed of corn. And I wanted to show you exactly when the right time is to pick it. And you can tell just by looking at it. Something you want to look out for is you find an ear that looks nice and plump, and you want to make sure the silks are totally dried back, just like this. This is a good sign that your corn is ready to pick. So I'll pick this ear. You just pull it, husk it right off the plant here in a downward manner, and then I have one that I opened here, and then you just open up the top, pull down the husks. This corn, you can tell it is completely mature and ready to eat. When you open it up, you'll see the kernels are really plump, and sometimes when it's not mature yet, they'll look kind of flat on the cob, and that's not ready. So they're nice and plump, and when you pierce it with your fingernail, it's like nice and milky inside, and this is good sweet corn ready to eat. So here I have a corn ear that I picked that I know is not quite ready. The silks look kind of brown on the top, but I can tell they're just not totally dried out yet, and they still look a little pink. You want them to be completely brown and dried out, and it just doesn't feel like it's as plump as it's going to get. So we'll open it up and I'll show you. This needs another week, maybe even 2, to be totally mature. And you can see the kernels are still really small. If you wait and let these mature on the plant, wait till the silks are completely brown and dried back, then this will be ready to eat, just like the bicolor corn. Corn is a really fast and easy crop to grow. It's great for beginning and experienced gardeners, and you can find many wonderful varieties to buy on reneesgarden.com. Thank you for watching.